hello there.
Hello there.
I don't know what that was, but just I'll go along with that. Dead memes and stuff, yay! Attempted comedy, haha. Anyway, welcome back to the JTech Game Studios YouTube channel. This intro will sound quite happy because I'm trying, and then the video will probably start sounding a little bit, well, I guess normal for me. A very sort of depressed voice. I don't know how I'm gonna fix that, but anyway, let's get on with the video. What was it? It was like Christmas Eve or something when the last video was there. No voice commentary, so I'm gonna do a voice commentary now. As you can hear, obviously. Oh yeah, and a new logo. I made a new logo, and it looks much better than the old one, which is good. And it's just basically, it's influenced by the old one as well. Anyway, this video is going to be about my main new projects, as well as a few old ones, just giving some details about those other projects. Mainly they're just updates, like Vacuum Trick Shots 1.1, Racing on 0.6, and a patch to Flybot War. And then the new projects are just the new main ones, ones that I'm just going to do the follow-up to a Unity game, so that will include a new Flybot War game to obviously follow up from the original Flybot War, which is Unity. This one's an Unreal Engine one. In the background there's some footage of it so far, and I think I've done some good progress, I guess, considering I did start it a few weeks ago or something. And that sequel is called Flybot War Explosive. As the name implies, it is just Flybot War, except more enemies, new world. I'm going to try and get a leaderboard in there. I would like to get a leaderboard in there. It should be doable. And explosive weapons, 3 of them. Missile strike, grenade launcher, which I might change to rocket launcher, and C4, which is currently a little bit buggy, but I can get it fixed. I should be able to. A little bit of news on what happens is when you connect to another multiplayer game, that local I think is fine, but online is a little bit of a problem, because what happens is all the players just look at one player's camera, which is quite, like, I don't know, I can't figure out many ways around that problem, so I'm going to just look into it and eventually I can get it done. So Vacuum Trick Shots 1.1 may not include mini games except from Stunt Park Builder. That one doesn't have too much of a problem, but I can disable the multiplayer, the online multiplayer. I might just disable multiplayer as a whole until I get that problem fixed, but I will include Stunt Park Builder, otherwise there wouldn't be too much new in 1.1 update. And then there will obviously also be a few other changes. There's some bug fixes. Racing on 0.6 will have its Demolition Derby mode, as well as more tracks, which there will be the tropical one, or the beach one. I guess what you need to do is you need to, if you want to see the tracks, the new ones, go and find the video. I will probably have it linked in the description, sorry. And the other thing is the Flybot War stuff. It will just fix some Flybot War patch update, sorry, will fix some of the bugs, like some AI problems which I've seen, as well as just respawning issues and the time of remembering where it's at, which is something that I managed to get in unintentionally, which is that's bad. So the other project was, hang on a second, I need to go and get this sheet. Wheel back the chair. Here's the sheet. Okay, I've got a list of stuff. Not a script. Can't be bothered to write out a script, and I don't think I'll need it. Just the other thing is racing on stunts, which is something which is a game that will come between racing on one. I haven't thought about launch schedules. Probably between racing on one of the updates after 0.6, probably, and before racing on 2. So it'll be one of the spin-off ones, which I'll just do in Unreal Engine. Once again, footage. You do some cool little stunts and stuff, and then it's like open world, and you drive around, and then you get given a task every time you go to a little stunt park, I guess. And then you've got to the task location, you just complete that, and then you'll be able to select certain upgrades, and the map will show you where the next events are. You'll just go around and complete those. Probably will add an ending, so yeah, that should be fine. I haven't finished up all the ideas, but I've got the base ideas there, and there's also a rocket boost inspired by Rocket League. Anyway, a little bit of a short video. Sorry about that, but it was just a beginning of the month. But I was late to it because I was busy with obviously the project and also some schoolwork. Anyway, thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, because I need to grow my YouTube channel. Thanks once again for watching. Bye bye. Lightning strike.